Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Unfolded English Podcast. I'm Alex.
Hi friends, I'm Lucy. So happy you're here with us today.
Yeah, whether you're a regular listener or this is your first time, welcome. You're in the right place.
Totally. You might be listening on your way to work, or maybe you're just taking a short break right now.
And honestly, Lucy, today feels like one of those days. Not bad, just a little tired.
Yeah, I feel that. Not exhausted, just low energy.
Exactly. And if you're learning English, those days can feel even harder.
Like, I want to improve, but I don't feel motivated today.
That's why today's episode is very real, very practical.
We're talking about English conversation practice, especially when you feel tired, stuck, or ready to give up.
No pressure, no big goals, just small ways to keep going and stay fluent.
So take a breath, relax a little, and let's get into it together. So, Alex, can I say something I hear all the time?
Please do. I already feel it coming.
A lot of learners tell us, I understand English, but when I try to speak, nothing comes out.
Yeah, it's like your brain just goes completely quiet.
Or the opposite. You have too many thoughts, and they all get stuck.
Exactly. You know the words. You've heard them 100 times.
But the moment someone looks at you and waits,
Your mind says, nope, not today.
and then there's the fear part.
Oh, yeah. What if I say it wrong? What if I sound stupid?
So you stay quiet.
Even when you want to speak.
And a lot of people also say, I don't even have a place to practice.
Right. No English environment, no safe person, no time.
So after a while, you start thinking,
Maybe I'm just bad at English.
or I'm too tired to keep trying.
And that feeling, that's what we're talking about today.
How to keep going even when motivation is low.
And how to practice real English conversation without burning yourself out.
Before we move on, can we ask you for a small favor?
Yeah, just a tiny one.
If this podcast feels helpful, or if it makes you feel a little less alone,
You can tap like or subscribe to the show.
and if you know someone who's learning English and feeling tired lately,
Feel free to share this episode with them.
those small actions really help this channel grow.
And they help more learners find calm, real English, just like you did.
Thank you for being here with us.
All right, let's keep going.
Okay, let's start very small. Tip number 1, don't practice English. Practice one sentence.
Yeah, this is important because practice English sounds heavy.
Exactly. But one sentence? That feels possible.
So instead of saying, I need to speak English for 30 minutes,
You just say one sentence like, today was a long day.
let me try. Today was a long day.
Perfect. And here's why this works. Your brain doesn't feel scared.
One sentence feels safe, and safe means you'll actually start.
Tip number 2, talk about what's happening right now.
Not your whole life story.
Right, just now, right here.
Like, I'm sitting at my desk. I'm a little tired.
Yes, let me model it. I'm listening to a podcast. I'm drinking water.
Okay, I'm listening. I feel sleepy.
That's real English. And it's easy because your brain already knows it. Tip 3 is very simple, but very powerful. Repeat the same sentence.
People think repetition is boring.
but repetition builds fluency. Say it again slowly.
Today was a long day. Today was a long day.
Nice. You don't need new words.
Just a calmer mouth.
Exactly. Fluency comes from comfort, not speed. Tip 4. Always use your voice.
Even if you're alone in your room.
Yes, thinking is not speaking. Whispering is okay.
Let me try quietly. I can practice English.
That counts. Your mouth needs training, not your notebook.
And honestly, speaking alone removes pressure.
No one is judging you. That's why it works. Tip 5. Don't add English to your day. Attach it.
Like when you're walking.
Or washing dishes. Or making coffee.
So I could say, I'm making coffee. I like the smell.
Perfect! You're not creating extra work.
You're just changing the language.
That's how tired learners stay consistent. Last tip, and this one is important. Stop before you're tired.
That sounds backward.
But it works. If you stop early, your brain remembers English as easy.
So maybe 1 minute?
1 minute is great. You can say, that's enough for today.
And tomorrow doesn't feel scary.
Exactly. Small, kind endings make you come back.
So if you're listening right now and feeling tired,
You don't need motivation. You need a smaller step.
1 sentence, out loud.
That's real practice, and that's enough for today. Before we finish, I want to talk about something deeper.
Yeah, the fear part.
A lot of learners don't stop because they're lazy. They stop because they're scared.
Scared of making mistakes. Scared of their accent.
Scared of sounding not good enough.
Sometimes I think, if I can't say it perfectly, maybe I shouldn't say it at all.
And that thought feels safe, but it keeps you silent.
Yeah, silence feels safer than being wrong.
But here's something important. Mistakes are not a problem.
They're proof?
They're proof that you're trying. And trying is how fluency grows.
What about accents? People worry about that a lot.
An accent is not a failure. It's a sign that you speak more than one language.
I like that.
And remember, communication is more important than perfection.
People don't need perfect English. They need your meaning.
Exactly. And every time you speak, even imperfectly,
You're building confidence.
so be kind to yourself. Speak before you feel ready,
Because courage comes after you speak.
not before.
All right. Before we wrap up, can we do a quick recap?
Yes, let's make it simple and clear.
Okay. Tip 1.
Don't practice English. Practice one sentence.
Tip 2.
Talk about what's happening right now.
Tip 3.
Repeat the same sentence, slowly.
Tip 4.
Use your voice, even when you're alone.
Tip 5.
Attach English to something you already do.
And the last one?
Stop before you feel tired. End on a good feeling.
That's it.
No pressure, no perfection.
Just small steps.
That you can actually keep. Before you go, we'd really love to hear from you.
Yeah, just something simple.
Out of today's tips, which one feels easiest for you to try?
Or maybe how many minutes will you practice today? 1 minute is totally okay.
You can also tell us what feels hardest right now.
Speaking, confidence, or just feeling tired?
Leave your answer in the comments.
We read every single one.
And sometimes your comment helps someone else feel less alone,
This is a small community,
but a very kind one.
so share a little if you feel like it.
We're here with you. All right, friends, thank you so much for spending this time with us.
Whether you listen to the whole episode or just a few minutes,
Showing up already matters.
you don't need big changes. Just one small action a day.
One sentence, 1 minute.
That's how fluency grows quietly.
If this episode felt supportive, you can like, subscribe, or follow the podcast.
And feel free to share it with someone who's learning English and feeling tired.
You're not behind. You're learning at your own pace.
Be kind to yourself. Keep going.
We'll be right here with you.
See you next time.
Bye for now.